Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be comparing two microphones. The first one on your left side is Blue YETI X mic. On your right side is FIFINE mic. Of course, you can tell the difference in their size. The FIFINE mic is much smaller. Blue YETI mic is much heavier and larger in size. The Blue YETI X has LEDs in the front, so it tells you when you're talking how loud you are. You can decrease the volume. On the other hand, a FIFINE mic has a knob also, which serves the same purpose, but it does not have any LEDs. But it does have the line which tells you where you are on the volume level. So for example, if you're in the middle, you're 50%. Of course, if on the right side all the way down, you're on 100%. And all the way left down, you're on mute, which is pretty simple. Now, it's really depend what you're looking for when it compared to these two mics, because they are really different than each other. What I'm recording is from Blue YETI X after I downloaded the software, which is Blue Voice, and I'll let you guys hear how they both sound right outside the box. Hi, this is sound coming from FIFINE mic. This is a test sound coming from FIFINE mic. The volume level is about 70%. Again, this is sound coming from FIFINE mic. Hi, this is sound coming from Blue YETI X mic. Again, this is sound coming from Blue YETI X mic. The sound level is about 70%. And this is sound coming from Blue YETI mics, only a test. Hi, this is sound coming from FIFINE mic. The volume is 50% exactly. Hi, this is sound test. Sound is coming from FIFINE mic. Volume level is 50% exactly. Hi, this is sound is coming from Blue YETI X mic. The volume level is about 50% exactly. Again, sound is coming from Blue YETI X mic. Volume level is 50%. So that was the comparison of their sounds. Personally, I really like the Blue YETI X sound, even though you can edit the sound coming from FIFINE mic, but still it's not that clear as coming from Blue YETI X mic. And it really depends what you're looking for. If you just need a mic and you're on tight budget, yes, I will definitely recommend FIFINE mic to you, because it's really a very small size. You can take it anywhere you want to. You can just connect with your phone to the OTG cable or with your computer, because it has a USB port on it. But if you're looking for something really nice and you already have a couple of mics but you're not satisfied with their sound, then Blue YETI X mic is definitely for you, because it's definitely gonna give you more freedom to tweak your sound as you really want to with their inbuilt software, as well as the quality coming from this is definitely superior to the most affordable mics. So that was the comparison, guys, and you can decide yourself which one you really like. If you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit like button, and I will catch you with the next video. Thanks.